Are you ready to supercharge your workflow by connecting Jotform and Monday.com? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Jotform's Prefill feature with Monday.com, streamlining your data entry process and making it a breeze to distribute customized forms to your team or contacts. By the end, you'll know exactly how to pre-populate forms using live Monday.com data, saving time, reducing errors, and giving your team a seamless experience. Let's jump right in. First things first, start by opening the Jotform you want to work with and head over to the Publish tab in the Form Builder. This is your control center for sharing, integrating, and managing your forms connections. To get there, just look for Publish along the top menu. Don't worry, you won't disrupt your forms setup by switching tabs. Everything you built is safe. Now, focus on the left-hand menu and find the Prefill section. Prefill is a fantastic tool that lets you automatically add known data to your forms, which means less manual typing and fewer mistakes. Click on it, and among the available options, you'll see Monday.com Prefill. Go ahead and select that. This unlocks the bridge between your form and your Monday.com workspace. If this is your first time connecting Jotform to Monday.com, you'll be prompted to authenticate your Monday.com account. This part is important for security. Jotform needs permission to access your Monday.com data. Just enter your API key, which you'll find in your Monday.com account settings, usually under the admin or developer area. If you haven't done this before, take your time to locate it. Having secure access ensures only your intended data is used. Once you're connected, you'll see options to pick the specific Monday.com account, then narrow down to the board and group that hold the information you want to transfer. Think of boards as the shelves in your digital office, and groups as folders within those shelves. It's crucial to pick the right one so your form reflects up-to-date, relevant details. The system will load your board's contents, and this part might take a moment if you have a lot of data. Next up is matching your fields. Here, you'll map columns from your Monday.com board, such as name or email, to the corresponding fields on your Jotform. If you're new to mapping, don't stress. Just imagine you're drawing lines from the data source on Monday.com straight into the blanks on your form. Getting this right ensures everything ends up in the correct place and your recipients see exactly what they need. Now, you get to pick which individuals you want to pre-fill forms for. You can search or scroll through your Monday.com list and select people by ticking the checkbox beside their name. For example, if you're sending feedback forms to your marketing team, you could quickly select just those members. No need to manually enter each email or keyword. There's a handy option here to control edit permissions. Decide whether each recipient can make changes to their pre-filled information or if those fields should be read only. This is helpful if you want to lock in certain details, like company ID, but let them update things like phone number or preferences. Once your selections are set, hit Save. Jotform generates a unique URL for the pre-filled form, customized for each recipient. You can share this link directly, send it by email, or even post it in a chat. You're in control of how your team receives their forms. And that's it. You've just streamlined form filling by linking Jotform with Monday.com. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give the video a like, and if you have any questions, just drop them in the comments below. I'm always happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical tutorials just like this. Good luck with your forms, and I'll see you in the next video.